guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another travelogue, and for today's travelogue I am taking you to Gunung Padang in Cianjur. Is it in Cianjur? Are we in Cianjur? Yes, in Cianjur. I just had to make sure because there are two sides of Gunung Padang, two sides that are called Gunung Padang. One is this Megalithic side, while the other is for another tourist site in Bandung. Supposedly this is the oldest and the largest Megalithic site in the world. So we flew here from Balikpapan to Jakarta, and then we took about 4-hour drive to Cianjur just to see this, because this is freaking awesome. Check out the full video and see you soon again. Bye. Keep going.
Taking the broken That's over here.
Oh, that's water.
Source.
Yeah, water source.
Not eat. Why are some people sitting on the bench?
Throughout the vlog you will hear our breathing because we just climb up the stairs, so excuse that. So to climb up to reach this main side of the megalith wasn't easy. It was stacked off megalith itself, but kind of steep and different from regular stairs, obviously. But the way down was much nicer. But just to let you know, should you like to climb up, it's not easy to climb for a fat person like me. To reach the megalith side of this Gunung Padang, you're gonna drive very wavy, like snake road. It wasn't wide whatsoever, so it wasn't easy with a car, much easier with motorbike. But you will pass a lot of tea plantation, and it's wonderful if you could stop and take picture and smell the tea leaves. But we didn't have time for that because we found the road from Jakarta to here. Even though we took the freeway, it was traffic still, and there was accidents and whatnot, road closure, so we almost ran out of time to reach Gunung Padang. So we didn't have time to stop at the tea plantation on the way to Gunung Padang or on the way back because it was getting dark. We also we used Google Maps, and Google Maps sent us to many back roads. So we call it Jalan Tikus or Jalan Kucing, and it was really narrow, a lot of everywhere. The roads really narrow because we went to villages and whatnot. It's totally back road, super narrow and just so dangerous, and a lot of holes, potholes everywhere. It's almost like if you watch other people's
Cool.
journey to reach Gunung Padang, they all took train, motorbike. I would so definitely recommend motorbike instead a car. But because we brought our two littles, so we decided to rent a car. But again, if you use Google Maps, just be aware that they are giving you, even though they said it's the best route, the shortest route, it's through back roads and prepare of potholes and a lot of traffics from motorbikes and super narrow road if you bring a car. People downstairs told us this is a place of worship. Should you decide to climb up to see Gunung Padang side, I would totally suggest you to bring a couple of bottled water because it can get too hot, and because of it sounds like it's not much to climb, only 175 meters, but the way the megalith stacked, it's so steep and it's just kind of naturally like that. So it's not like regular stairs. You would get thirsty. Well, I got thirsty, so it was really helpful that I brought water. But I saw a lot of the local tourists also brought their own water. There are many tourists here making videos. There are so many of these rocks. They look super heavy. So it is amazing how they ended up here.
Selfie up here.
Misalnya ngambil airnya. Ini Bu yang disebut batu kursi Bu. Nah, jauh-jauh.
Ini batu kursi.
Ini ceritanya masyarakat di sini dinamakan batu kursi atau tempat pandangan ke Gunung Gede, Pangrango.
Gunung Gede mana?
Pangrango kebetulan tertutup awan.
Tertutup awan.
Kesininya pernah disinggah Eyang Prabu Siliwangi. Jadi sebelum
Oh.
Siliwangi bangunan ini udah ada.
Iya.
Bahkan menurut ilmuwan diambil sampelnya 3.500
Iya,
sebelum
makanya kami kesini karena kami nonton itu juga
Iya,
dokumentarinya.
Ini sama Mister juga.
Ya, come here.
Kan ini ada batu kursi. Nah,
Yes. This area is where one of our kings were here before, Siliwangi.
Siliwangi. Duduk.
Sit down. It's for chair.
Ini tempatnya batu kursi.
They are called chair rock, like literally chair rock.
Di belakang ini. Nah, ini di sini.
Especially those there, yeah, the one that flat. See, like that.
Did you take picture of me?
Oh, always.
It's too far though. Maybe giants.
I wish our
Punden
house
itu
was up
ada 5
here.
teras 5 undakan. Kebetulan tadi ibu bawa tuh dinamakan ada zaman kepercayaan yang namanya Gunung Masigir. Ada
Oh,
kaulanya.
oh iya, katanya ada daerah gamelan juga daerah mananya?
Ini bawah ini.
Oh, yang tadi kami duduk-duduk itu.
Jadi
Oh,
sekarang nggak bisa diketuk. Terus lurus ke sini.
oh dulu bisa diketuk itu.
Nah, dulu pakai batu.
Oh
Sekarang
iya
udah
ya,
dilindungi
ya
sama
benar.
mereka.
Iya, ndak boleh ya.
Nah, jadi tercatatnya 1914 itu tercatat dulunya Belanda.
Oh.
Namanya MJ Krum, jadi bukan menemukan. 1979 dulunya masyarakat di sini dilaporkan namanya Pak Di Pasoma Pak Bidin. Gitu.
Oh,
Dibuka
beliau
umumnya
yang nemukan.
Iya, bukan menemukan. Nyatet aja.
Oh, nyatet aja.
2010 kunjungan dari Yusuf, 2011 arkeolog dari Jakarta, staf kepresidenan atau area itu. Jadi menurut ilmuwan disebut punden berundak. Punden berundak itu kan sebelum candi, sebelum piramid,
Ya,
ya kan?
ya,
Nah,
ya.
Jadi diambil sampelnya ada yang 3.500 tahun sebelum
Ya,
itu. Menurut
ya.
ilmuwan. Arealnya 29,1 hektar, di puncaknya 4.000 meter, jadi di puncak Gunung anu 5, arah kibatnya 5 gunung. Batunya mengandung kadar besi, andesit, sudut batunya hampir 80% sudut 5 atau disebut pentagonal. Nah, jadi
Ya.
kepercayaan orang di sini itu sampai sekarang difungsikan untuk saran tempat ibadah, tempat musyawarah, tempat pemujaan.
Ya.
Jadi sebelum naik ke atas diawali dengan bersuci dulu. Siapapun ke sini, yang penting tujuannya ritual
Niatnya
meditasinya
bagus.
bagus.
Iya, iya, iya.
Ya. Jadi
Makasih, Pak.
Hey mom,
Ya.
I wish our home was up here. It's very nice.
ada bentuknya reliefan kujang, ada patilasannya yang Prabu coba
But the only
sampai ke atas hingga
Boleh, boleh.
Iya, sayang
Mommy,
jauh-jauh dari
but the only
Why do some
problem.
stones have the
Oh iya, kenapa beberapa batu ada kayak bolongan-bolongan gitu ya, Pak?
Jadi menurut ilmuwan kan ini nggak ketemu tulisan, nggak ada parasaki. Setiap batu Gunung Padang ada cekongan. Jadi menurut ilmuwan saling mengunci tahan gempa itu.
Oh, they are for locking.
Nah,
Locking between the rock. So that when there's earthquake, it will stay.
Jadi bukan di atas doang batu sampai ke dalam, ini batu-batu.
but you
Ya.
don't see the rock with the
Jadi
other
di
one?
api, gitu misalnya.
On the side, no, masih ada nggak, Pak, batu yang
Bulatnya gitu.
nyangkut-nyangkut gitu, masih ada nggak?
Memang sekarang di dalam itu seperti yang gini.
Ya,
gitu,
oh,
ngunci-ngunci,
ya,
kasih
that's
tutup.
covered with the soil.
Kalau ini kan bisa jadi ini ya, namanya udah lama kelamaan terkikis juga gitu, agak rusak.
Yeah.
Kalau di dalam waktu dievakuasi itu ya seperti-
When they evacuate the first time, it was still like that.
Nah,
In time, because it evacuated, I mean, they already dig up and whatnot, rain, sun.
lanjutkan sampai ke dalam apanya dibukanya. Memang katanya ini nggak bisa. Masukkan maksudnya masih sama leluhur sama arkeologi atau meditasi ini belum sinkron.
Yeah,
Tidak ada tulisan gitu.
the religious people and the
Katanya sudah dilihat. Ya, memang kan takutnya seperti itu.
they don't want, they are still not agreeing one to another, so they haven't dig up deeper.
Play the core again. I have to like
Mana, Pak?
Nah, ini kan kujang.
take
Khasnya
the
Sunda atau Jawa Barat, ini tengah-tengahnya sentralnya.
Oh,
Nah, ini disebut itu alami,
that's natural, Father.
natural.
The shape of a
Tengah-tengahnya
West
sentral.
Java
Weapon.
shape weapon, yes.
Nah, terus ada dinamakan pernah ada sebut telapak maung.
Di mana itu
Nah, ini
telapak
kan
mau?
pejajaran lah.
Ya.
Ini kalau menurut ilmuwan pusir bumi. Ini teras ketiga nih.
Oh, this is the third terrace apu.
Tiger. Nah, tiger, terbahasa itu tiger. Ini
Oh,
telapak,
tapak ya.
Tiger, telapak maung.
Oh, tiger mau.
Maung. Jadi bahasa Sunda mah maung itu manusia unggulan.
Oh,
Orang
dasar nih orang Sunda, nggak tahu. Mau bukan tiger mah.
manusia unggulan.
A person who has superpower, that's his marking. That's awesome, yeah.
Nah, yuk. Nah, baru teras yang keempat.
So he's showing us the fourth terrace.
Ini dinamakan teras keempat, cerita masyarakat dulu. Ini dinamakan batu kanuragan.
Kanuragan?
Atau batu pengujian katanya. Sebelum naik ke atas diuji di sini.
Oh.
Naik ke Singgasana Raja. Gitu.
Oh, jadi itu daerah singgasananya dulu.
Itu yang
Oh.
terakhirnya atau tempat yang disucikan.
Oh, that's what they call the crown for the king over there, or a place that is what is it? Still innocent, you know, like that.
Hingga sana sana apa terus kelima pernah diekavasi itu sekarang udah ditutup lagi.
I keep saying evacuation or excavation.
Nah, ini Bu, ini namanya singgasana raja. Kalau orang-orang yang disebut jaroh itu tempat yang disucikannya. Gitu. Ini singgasana rajanya, di belakang ada disebut Sunan Ambu, ini Sunan Rama. Atau Pandaringan kalau bahasa Sunda kan dapurnya. Kalau bahasa arkeolog mas senderan, tempat melihat bintang. Gitu.
Oh, they said that this is where they watch the stars.
Kan ini kade-kade bersihnya tinggi.
So when they build this, supposedly some part of that is pointing right to some mountain. He mentioned a mountain, but it was covered with clouds.
Warungnya tutup. Dipanggil Iran ke sana tuh ada yang warung buka. Aduh, lagi kumpet tadi dan keluar.
Drink.